Hi, last time you saw these, I was trying to figure out how the interconnect works. It turns out it's 7 volts DC. That's fine. But today, we're going to look at a different brand. I'm going to look at these. What voltage is the interlink? I've got to set them up and I'll be back shortly. Here we are. They're connected to each other and the mains, but the mains is not on at this time. It is now. If I press the test button on this one, then logically that one should sound as well. I generally don't know. That is what should happen, but I've only just acquired these. Let's find out, do they actually work properly? Oh, definitely. Let's do it the other way. Oh, they don't half react quick. As I said, first time I've ever used these. Let's turn the mains off. See what happens. Should make no difference. Yep. What I want to know is, what's the interlink voltage? I'll just set the meter up. Here we are. I've set the meter up. Let's push the button and see what voltage we get. Yeah. 7 volts at its peak. We know that the interlink works from 7 volts. But what I want to know, what about this one? I already know that you're not supposed to do it. But what I want to know is what happens if you do. I'm not saying it's going to work. I'm not saying it's not going to work. I genuinely have no idea. So I would like to find out. Just in case something should go wrong, this one is not connected to that one anymore. So if I press this, that one should sound, in theory. Let's find out. Yes, it is. Let's do it the other way. Interesting. Let's connect this one back in. Here we are. The 3 of them are connected to each other. I wouldn't recommend doing what I've just done, because after all they are life safety devices. I was just curious to know. Better I do it and have them go bang here than to you do it and find out, oh dear. Don't try this at home. If you like this content, a thumbs up would be appreciated. A subscription to the channel, which is free, be great as well. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.